First of all, I would like to appreciate and congratulate our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. It is a long due dream of the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. He was willing to reach the railway connectivity and empower this service, but due to some unavoidable condition like landslide. One big landslide was taken place, and at Trupur, near Trupur, I think. What is the name of the village? Bakwa. And unfortunately, we lost the precious life of around 100. And because of that, the progress of the railway projects is delayed little bit. But keeping aside everything, Honorable Prime Minister Modi has signed this particular idea. This is the third time. But for the food grains, rice, it is the first time. Earlier we have already got 2 essential commodities items 2 times. And this is the first of the rice, food grains, and the third time bringing here, reaching here the essential commodities. ये सब भारत के प्रधानमंत्री का जो कमिटमेंट, इसको फुलफिल करने के लिए अपने देश का, FCI का, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस का, या असम राइफल्स या BSF, रात दिन काम कर रहा है, taking their life risks for us, for people who speak. The Shiki, see the BSF become who, Assam Rifles become who, the Central Paramilitary Forces, and the State Police. I appreciate from the bottom of the heart. Without you, we have seen the present prevailing situation. It's very complex. But now, with the help of the people, with the help of the security personnel, normalcy is returning slowly. And we are trying to go to make a peaceful state as before. And one of the happiest things today I have seen that my people, my brothers, has come out openly to walk in the railway station. And as liberty tribe, thus we want to walk and we're walking. I don't want to end the careers my own. I'm not shooting again. I thought that was the walk culture, but now today I say we have the walk culture. Many youths are coming forward. तो इसलिए we have discussed कि यहाँ पे आज कोई कुछ गोडाउन रखें कि रेलवे के जो बॉगी में आए हैं उसको शिफ्ट करके गोडाउन में रखें और ट्रक आने के बाद में ट्रक में लोड करके फिर दे दें. तो already it was unloaded at Gini, 220 kilometers from north, but now just we're unloading here, only 100 kilometers from Imphal. So Srigi Imphal Yobodi Nai, Srigi Imphal Yobodi Nai, Sad Bayadabadi. Plan was changed, how Laila Kabadi is Honorable Minister, all his mentioned. And koi Hatara Padi ke phone in the Kogu. See, the government is trying not to have any kind of shortage. Food grains, essential commodities, oil, gas, all we are successfully rendering service to the people of the state due to the cooperation from the FCI, cooperation and the support from the security personnel, the cooperation and the hard work of the railways employees, and the commitment and conviction of the central government leaders. ಅದನ್ನ नखोइदा लीडरशिप की youth मैम नखोइदा I have scheduled cooperation yesterday evening. I contacted to some of the leaders, civil society organizations. They are very helpful. They are very cooperating with the settlement, security process, and doing everything, joining hand to hand. Yang tunai, itu exciting. Saya dengar isah sih, kau lakukan itu logo kopi dan biba, orang sanggupnya, Telenauxing, relationship, honorable member, elected members in a Hong Kong thank God also. Rainy season later, God has a shining day today. We love the other programs. Thank you all. सबको FCI की officials, रेलवे का ऑफिशियल, असम राइफल्स पुलिस का, BSF का, CRPF का, स्टेट पुलिस फोर्स और विलेज अथॉरिटी सब को हम स्वागत करता हूँ और सलाम भी करता हूँ। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।